We have a local tour guide that will take us to the waterfall.
On our way down right now, so we're hiking down to the waterfalls. So we'll take you with us and show you the roads to get down there.
Yeah, we actually took the bike here like a little bit closer, so it shouldn't be as long. Normally it takes around 2 hours there and back, I think. And yeah, so we should be there faster, right?
I hope so.
Okay. You ready for some hike?
Ready.
Come on, you ready? So these are the hidden waterfalls, which we are visiting first, and after these waterfalls, we're gonna go to the Sekumpul Waterfall. So we just arrived to Sekumpul Waterfall, and as you can see, there's a salmon monmon in compared to the huge waterfall right there.
Oh, you got a little monkey here. Look at her. In her natural habitat. Did to the Sekumpul Waterfall right behind us. There's Alex and Tanya. Yeah, we brought out the big camera. Yeah. Well, we got a GoPro, so it's a lot better than that big camera over there. So yeah.